A very best good morning to all of you. I am Prasant Anand, a student of BCA PPU first year first batch, present in front of you with a program of subroutine. This program is prepared under the guidance of our respected Neeraj sir. In this program we have to find average of two numbers by taking input from the user and with the help of subroutine. So subroutine is a procedure which doesn't return any value. Now the syntax of subroutine is to first we have to declare the subroutine and then write the code of the subroutine on which we write the code of the subroutine through which we can find out any kind of output. So first here I have declaration and initialization of the subroutine is using declare function. I have initialized the subroutine and then sub function is basically used to define that we are declaring the subroutine in our program. Then average in between parentheses there is two parameter a and b. Here average is subroutine name and a and b are the parameter. Then CLS and here the calling part of subroutine is. So if we write the call function and then the subroutine name in between parentheses and their parameter, then it is the calling part of our subroutine, and then the end. After writing the declaration and the calling of a function, subroutine, we have to write the second part where we need to where we can write which kind of operation we performing. So if we want to go on the second part, just click the shortcut key, that is function F2. So we will open this window, and here is the second part of the subroutine. So at first sub average in between parentheses the parameter. Here the subroutine main subroutine body is started, and with the end sum the subroutine body is ended. Then CLS command is used to clear the screen, and then dim to declare the variable data type, that is integer. Then I have taken the input of both subroutine both parameter in a and b variable. Then avg is a new variable which store the average which store the output of this expression. Then I have printed the I have printed output using print statement, and after print I have written thank you statement to make our code more interactive. So this is the second part of the subroutine. Now we will look the output and the running process of this code. So for run, we will select the run menu and just click on the start. Here is the output screen is open, and in output screen the asked that enter the first value. So let's enter 4 and then enter 6, and when we hit the enter button, here is the output, that is average is equal to 5. So this is all about the subroutine and the average which I have made. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.